Experiencing call failures on Assurance Wireless? Several factors could be at play. First, ensure you have sufficient signal strength. Check the number of bars on your phone. Next, verify your account is active and paid up. A $0 balance will suspend your service. If billing isn't the issue, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This resets your phone's radio frequencies and can resolve temporary connection glitches. For persistent problems, confirm your phone is VoLTE compatible and that VoLTE is enabled in your settings. If the issue persists, contact Assurance Wireless support to verify your device is certified for their network. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, provides higher call quality over 4G LTE networks. Ensure your phone supports it and it's enabled. If toggling airplane mode doesn't work, the Assurance Wireless app version 4.2 or later has a network reset feature. Use this to refresh your SIM connection. The Assurance Wireless app is essential for network resets and billing management. For billing issues, use the Assurance Wireless app or website to check your usage and add funds instantly via PayPal or Venmo. If you believe there's an erroneous charge, use the app's dispute tool. Remember, maintaining an active account and VoLTE compatibility are key to preventing call failures. Outdated software may cause issues, so make sure your phone is up to date.